Hello and welcome. We are going behind the scenes today with Mike Reischmann of Kenyon cookware. And Mike, tell me about this really cool new product that you're offering.
Thank you, Lisa. Yeah, we're introducing a new set of cookware called StacKEN that Kenyon has developed because we had a big demand from customers who wanted to know what kind of cookware to use with our cooktops. And there really wasn't anything that we could recommend. So we went out and found the best cookware we could.
You just built it yourself.
Well, we actually didn't. We actually didn't build it. We actually found it.
Okay.
And it's an American company in Wisconsin. And they build this cookware under private label for us. And what's unique about this is how we ended up packaging it. And that is just as a Kenyon product. Nobody else can get it this way. And it's called StacKEN because it does, in fact, stack vertically. So this is what we call the essential set. It's got 4 pieces of essential cookware that any owner, any boat owner, any yacht owner would want to have on board their boats. So what's cool about it is that this cookware, and you can feel this, Lisa, this is 7-ply stainless steel.
Oh yeah, that's heavy duty.
It's heavy duty. So it cooks very evenly, and even this area right here is called a vapor seal. And when you put the lid on this, it actually locks. And
I feel that.
Yeah, it's almost like a pressure seal. But it'll cook faster and more evenly than anything you've ever used. But the really cool part is the removable handles. And they lock in place, and you'd never know they're removable. They are just a solid, you'll never know that. And then, of course, when it comes time to store them, you just stack them up vertically.
You can just take them off,
just like
press
this.
it.
That's all there is to it.
Wow.
And they stack vertically. So in the set, you get a 1-quart, you get a 2-quart saucier, you get a 3-quart saucepan, which would be great for soups or pasta or whatever you need. And then, of course, the essential 8.5-inch skillet.
Wow. And see, look how much space that takes up if you lay them all side by side.
Exactly. This would take up, when it's stacked, literally half the space that you would normally have in a cabinet. And, of course, space is always an issue on board boats. And then all of this fits into an igloo cooler so that if you didn't want to separate it or didn't want to stack them, you could keep them right in the cooler or just use the cooler for groceries or consumables when you need it.
Wow, this is great. So how do people get their hands on this amazing set of cookware?
Well, it's on our website.
Okay.
Okay, you can go to cookwithkenyon.com.
Cookwithkenyon.com.
And it's available. And we also sell, we also sell a bigger set so that if you wanted to have like a big wok or a big saucepan or a really big saucepan or skillet, there's another set that also stacks available on the website.
Wow, okay.
So you can add to this existing set as well.
Very nice. And then I know that there's talk about some new 2020 models and this set being part of coming with your new yacht.
Yes, now that's a great program. MarineMax and Kenyon have partnered to put together this essential set as a free gift for anyone who would purchase a new galleon or a Aquila in 2020.
Wow, that's a great gift.
It's a great program.
Wow, so that is fantastic. Well, this is a little snapshot of the Kenyon cookware system. If you need more information, you can go to their website. And thank you very much, Mike.
Thank you, Lisa. It's been a pleasure.